here's pretty much the finished cake. It didn't quite turn out the way I wanted. I was really getting tired of popping the stars, so they're a little messy. But the little lei I found at Wilson's Five and Dime, which is in our area, for $1. And the little bear hat was like $1.99. I just thought that kind of looked beachy. Since she's never been to the beach before, I wanted to try to turn her bear into something beachy. So I'm going to try to get something and kind of decorate the board a little bit. That's why I used a big board. Maybe do like some sand out of graham crackers and some seashells, just to have him look like he's sitting in the sand. And I might even try to find like a little bucket and shovel, something along those lines. But pretty much that's the cake part. We actually took a dowel rod and hot glued it to the hat, and then stuck it in there so that the hat would stay on while I'm traveling. I didn't want it falling off, so that's how the hat's staying on. But
using a pencil sharpener.
And we just, used a pencil sharpener to sharpen the end of the dowel rod. That helped it slide in the cake. And that's it. That's our stand-up teddy bear cake.